learn about adjective, comparative, and superlative. Okay, the first one, the comparative form. The comparative form is mean to compare two people or things. Use the comparative form of an adjective. The comparative form is usually made by adding er to the adjective. For example, we have the adjective dark. So the comparative form is darker. Okay, add er. Next, light, lighter, high, higher, low, lower, old, older, young, younger, rich, richer, poor, poorer, tall, taller, small, smaller, soft, softer, hard, harder, warm, warmer, cool, colder, fast, faster, slow, and slower. Okay, the word then is often used to compare two things or people. For example, you say Mr. Lee is taller than Philip. A car is faster than a bike. So the word then is often used to compare two things or people. Okay, next we go to the superlative form. Okay, the superlative forms mean when you compare three or more people or things, use the superlative form of an adjective. The superlative form is usually made by adding est to the adjective. For example, is dark. So the superlative form is darkest, light, lightest, high, highest, low, lowest, young, youngest, and another examples add est to the adjective. Okay. Notes. The word the is often used before the superlative form. For example, is a bee is a small insect. A ladybird is smaller, but an ant is the smallest. Okay. The word the is often used before the superlative form. Okay. We go to if the adjective and in E, add R to form the comparative and ST to form the superlative. Okay, this one is the special example, which is if the adjective ends in E. So we add R to form comparative and ST to form the superlative. Okay, example for the adjective nice. So the comparative is nicer, the superlative is nicest. Okay, close, closer, closest, rude, ruder, rudest, safe, safer, and safest. Okay. Suppose the adjective is a short word that ends in a consonant and has a single vowel in the middle. Just double the consonant and add er to make the comparative and est to make the superlative. Understand? Okay. The adjective is a short word that ends in a consonant and has a single vowel in the middle. For example, is sad, okay, and in a consonant and has a single vowel in the middle. Just double the consonant and add er to make the comparative and est to make the superlative. Okay, so sad, sadders. Double the consonant in the middle. Double the consonant at the end and add er to make the comparative. When superlative is add est to make the superlative. So the example is sad, sadder, and sadness. Wet, wetter, wettest. Slim, slimmer, slimmest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay. Suppose the adjective has two syllables and ends in Y. Just, just change the Y to I and add ER to make the comparative and add ESD to make the superlative. For example, is easy. Just change the Y to I and add ER to make the comparative. Okay, easy. So we change Y to I and add ER for the comparative, which means easier. And the superlative add EST to make the superlative. So easiest. Funny, funnier, funniest. And same with other example. Tiny, tinier. Alright, we go to use more and most to compare most other two-syllable adjective. You will also use more and most with all adjectives that have more than two syllables. Alright, for example, is famous. So, more famous and superlative is most famous. Same with other example, which is difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Okay, the last one, irregular comparative and superlative forms. A few adjectives do not form their comparative and superlative forms in any of the usual way. The comparative and superlative forms of these adjectives are different words called irregular forms. Adjective, for example, is good. So the comparative is better. Superlative is best. For bad, worse. The superlative is worse. Little, less, least. Many, more, most. Far, for the comparative is farther or further. Superlative is farthest or furthest. For example, my painting is good. Melanie's painting is better, but Andrew's painting is the best. Okay, thank you.